Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have I think there's 3 in here. I don't know if there's 4 pack of underpants. So these are them here. These are kind of boxers, and they are super light, kind of spandexy ones here. I don't know if you can kind of see here. They're totally stretchy and comfortable looking. They've got a nice little waistband and nice there. And it looks like the crotch has a little bit more breathing area as well. So these are kind of spandexy. Let me see. Does it say what it's made of? It says 90% 90% modal, 10% spandex, whatever that is. And the pouch content is 13% spandex and 87% polyamide. So that's it here. So you get this color. We get this color, black, I think. We have a bluish one and maybe teal. You can see the little crotch area is a slightly different color. But let me go ahead and try one of these on. And it is comfortable. Oh, it is. So I'll show you guys what we got here. So this is it. Let me move it up a little bit. There we go. So you can see. And I'm about 185 pounds right now. And I'm 5'10". And it's got a good comfort feel. I mean, I don't let you see this just because Amazon will take it down. But there we go. So how cool is that? So these are nice and comfortable. Totally feels good. So I'm going to say these are great. Thumbs up for sure.